G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres, it's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. Basically this is lower grade material, good to practice with, get the feel for the opal. Some of these just need a little bit more investigation to see if they're going to open up in a bit more opal, or whether what you see is what you're basically getting. Threw this piece in just because it had that little tiny eye there. This piece has got a colour bar running down through it. Excuse me. Talking too much all day doing this. That bit I just saw that little bit of colour on the end there. Again, just thrown in. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.